What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be removing the seat belts from my truck so we can get them shipped off to safety restore. They're going to replace the webbing in the seat belts. Basically, you can send them off and they'll replace the seat belt part with whatever color you want. I mean, they'll replace them with the factory color, or you can pick custom colors. I figured since we just installed the new steering wheel, it's got red accents, we would go with some sort of red color seat belt. In order to get the back seat belts out, we have to remove the bench seat. Alright, so first step is there's some bolts. I don't know if you can see. There's a bolt there. There's another one farther back there. And then there's a couple over there. We're going to remove those bolts. And then... So let me remove these bolts and then we'll see if this seat comes out.
So this is how we end up, shades of blue and gray. I feel just like an empty bottle, my dreams are on delay. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am all derailed, derailed. Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again. So this is how we end up. The game is set to play. Every day remains the same now. One decision we obey. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am all derailed, derailed. Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again.
Alright, so the seats are out. Was able to get them out by myself. I ended up unbolting the two seats. You see right here, there's two holes. There's two screws that go through and bolt these two seats together. I just undid those two bolts and they were able to come out independently, which made it a lot easier. So now for removing the seat belts. It looks like this bolt comes out and that just comes off, but I'm not sure how to get this belt out from in these little slots. So let me do some research here and we'll get started. Okay, so I'm gonna pry this little can see, the center seat belt's gone. I ended up splitting the seat belt apart into, just used a screwdriver, pried it. That was the only way I can figure out how to get this out of here, but I unfortunately broke the plastic clip in there. So I'm gonna do some more research for when we put this thing back together, because I really don't want to break a brand new seatbelt buckle. So I'm gonna do some more research. I'll let you guys know the correct way to get it out of there and get it back in when we do the reassembly. So I guess all we have left is to do the driver's side. I can grab this. All we have left to do is the driver's side, and then I can do the rest without you guys, because the driver's side and this one and that one back there are going to be the same as those two over there, so you guys don't need to see that. So let's get working on this one. It's similar to the back one. You just pop this out up here, undo the screw, pop the plastics off. This one should be quick. trusty torque screw, and then this slides right out the top up here. And that is all there is to it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to finish getting these taken out, and then I'm going to send them off to Safety Restore. And once they send me the red ones back, I will continue the video. I'm not sure if I'm going to... I'm probably going to end this video, and then I'll make a new video putting the other ones back in, just because this one's been so long. So if you guys wouldn't mind clicking the like button, give it a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks, guys.